I can tell you at the end of July when we were there for convocation, no one could have anticipated what was coming. But we got on it immediately. Of course, safety is always a priority for Kingsport City Schools. And just working with the engineering firms, someone all the way, a dome expert from Idaho, and our own people, we feel like that we're headed in the right path. We have an option to get it renovated and really do some things that needed to be done all along the way. So looking forward to it.
In regards to the dome, also just kind of talk to me about Friday, and you mentioned that the kids are going to be overwhelmed when they get to see this facility that they get to play at for now. Just talk to me a little bit about that.
The dome certainly is iconic in Kingsport, really in our state. However, with the renovations at the Tribe Athletic Complex, it will be a smaller venue, and I think it's really going to get the crowd engaged more. Our students will be engaged more. We are welcoming our state championship boys basketball team, so we're going to be able to honor them. It's really nice having that banner hung in the middle of the floor. So it is a beautiful facility. The people who have worked on this have worked literally nearly 7 days a week. The construction company, all the subcontractors that have been in and out, our own personnel, truly the word no has not been in the vocabulary. They have tried to make it work. And our students, I really do think they're going to be overwhelmed. The locker rooms are fantastic. The gym floor itself, the seating, the lighting, everything has been touched in that facility. And we want the very best for our students. Extracurriculars are important for some students. That's really the glue that keeps them to academics. So this is just another way for years to come that we're going to be able to use this facility.
Can I ask anything about the dome?
No, not about that.
Okay. We're going to move into the superintendent search right now. So just kind of talk to me about what was discussed tonight in regards to that.
At our last meeting, we agreed to enter into a contract with the Tennessee School Board Association to kind of run our superintendent search. They have years and years of experience. They know our district well. They're professionals at what they do, so we're very fortunate to have them be able to lead us along. So tonight, the executive director of TSBA was here with us, and she showed us some different options as far as criteria. So tonight we were able to hammer out a timeline. We were able to hammer out minimum qualifications. Also a brochure that will show information about our district, also information about our community, etc., and just what we're looking for in the next leader for Kingsport City Schools. So it's a timeline. It's a pretty aggressive timeline. We're not going to rush it, but we want the right person in the job, and we think we can do that hopefully by around March 1st.
You said you want the right person in this position. Ideally, what are some of those things you'd like to see on an application for the right person?
Well, as our mission to be student-focused and world-class, we want a leader that is student-focused and wants a world-class education for our students all around, not just academics, but again, extracurriculars are so important. We also want someone who has experience in a budget. We want someone who can develop strategies and goals for our district. We want someone who is a good listener, who can motivate other individuals, and I'm confident that we'll come up with the right person.
And earlier today, too, she said that she was going to reword some things for you guys in regards to some of the requirements. Talk to me about that.
Yes, there are just some things that maybe a little more detail would be appropriate or nice to have. They're pretty broad umbrella of criteria that have been listed. So I think she'll go back and kind of work on that, and then we'll have an opportunity to make sure that those are things that we want to include.